G'day, here's a little parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from about the Winton area I think. Material's been wetted to help show the opal in the ironstone. The rule's in millimetres. Basically this has been cut out of larger pieces, so you've got a little stone there, a little bit see-through but still pretty. Reds and greens. It's undulating, it's been dremelled a bit I think. It's just a little stone on the end there. It jumps up there as well, so how big this stone will be. A little bit undulating, blues, crystal blue. Stone through there. Not a fantastic piece. It's got nice colour in there. Maybe cut it through there and you end up with two flatter stones. Changes direction there, see? Pieces start to be ground down. It's a nice colour on the end there, but if you make that just a little stone by itself. Anyway, that's not an expensive little deal. Hope you've enjoyed. Great fun to practice and play with. Cheers.